to do some roast fish. So I have okra, carrots. We call this chocho. I don't know what the other name is. I have chopped onion. This is a red onion. I'm gonna use some butter. And I have my tilapia fish somewhere. Tilapia fish. So I'm gonna prepare all the vegetables and I'm gonna stuff it the fish and I'm gonna put it in foil paper. You'll see what I do. Just watch the video. Alright. So with the okra, this is all I think they're called lady's fingers. This says Indian okra. Alright, so I'm gonna take them out of the package. You can rinse them before or after. All you need to do is remove the tops, and you can also remove the bottom of it. So just go through each of them and remove the tops like so, and you can also remove the bottom and just go through each of them until they're all like that. Okay, so for the okra, this is what it looks like with the top off, and I'm just cutting them diagonally like this. Alright, so I have 3 large fish, tilapia fish, and I have foil paper, and I'm going to wrap the fish in the foil paper. So let's put that over there for a minute. You can use some butter on the foil so that the fish doesn't stick. So I'm gonna get 1 fish. So these are seasoned with my garlic powder, onion powder, jerk seasoning, salt, pepper, and I'm gonna put all the seasonings together, mix them well, maybe a teaspoon of salt, just to make it have a little bit of black pepper, and we can put some garlic on that. A big spoon. And we can put a spoonful of vegetables in here. After we put that in, then we have to wrap it very well so that the juices don't run out. Both ends, wrap it well so that none of the juices won't escape when it's cooking. Okay. And of course, they're gonna set it this side up. Okay, so I'm gonna put these on our tray. Bake them for 30 minutes should be good.